let's get started on today's Core call, August 20, 2025. Regarding Shredder, no updates apparently. So let's move on to testing. Marcus, I guess, or Dimitro?
Hi. So regarding Hive and EST, we have fixed a couple of issues, and Anders from our team finally converted old constructor Genesis to new code, and now we are trying to sync Hive Genesis with EST. We face it with some issues, but in progress.
Sorry, what did you convert in the Genesis? Like the constructor things, or?
Yeah, so we had like issue EST doesn't support all the constructor format, old constructor accounts format. So we converted everything to the new code, and it worked. But now we had the same issue like before with Genesis hash mismatch.
Got it. Client updates, never mind.
Hi. Yeah, not too much to update. We're just ironing out a few things and preparing for the release as soon as possible.
All right, Aragod.
Oh, nothing significant.
Guillaume, any updates? Guillaume, you're muted. Not sure if you heard me.
No, I did not. Sorry, I had what's it called? Connection problem. So yeah, it's working now.
Do you have any updates? Or gap?
I did. So no, mostly not. I did the rebase, but I think I've done it last week. We had some issues on the testnet. Sorry, the Osaka testnet. Excuse me. So yeah, they are being resolved right now. So I don't think we'll be able to make the what's it called, the Fusaka testnet for Gnosis. But yeah, I will push a release as soon as we have a release out. That will fix a lot of things. I also was contacted. Sorry, I'm trying to remember his name right now. Apologies for that. I will chat now, of course. I was contacted by chat now. There are some issues on the test running in Hive. This is a bug that has to do with loading the Genesis file. I haven't had time to look into this, but this is what I want to achieve this week to make sure it does work. But yeah, nothing to announce, just except problems, which I just did.
And the rebase was 1.16.2, or are we at 1.16.3 now?
No, I made a mistake last time. So it was actually 1.16.2, which is the latest release we have out. The 1.16.3 will contain all the fixes that we want, but yeah, we're working on it right now, so it's not out yet.
Okay, but that's what I had last week, so perfect. All right, thank you. Wrath?
Hi. So Rep now can import ERA files and sync from the state input, so that you can run a full archival node Genesis to tip using Rep. So currently, just trying to make the ERA imports part of the node startup itself, like we already have state downloads and stuff. But some like replay block transactions or like tracing debugs, those things won't work pre-import. But apart from that, you can use it as an RPC. Receipts. Oh, I mean, this also includes receipts, by the way, which was the blocker last week. Apart from that, I also noticed some red stuff failing on Hive. So there are three kinds of errors mostly that I saw. One with like errors that in which the client container was stopping. Uh, all of those tests ran successfully on my local with an increased timeout. So the Hive timeout is set at 120 seconds. So if you increase that, I used 300. So those tests were running fine. There were some with invalid payload where Hive is repeatedly asking for the same payload ID, like one with get payload v1 and immediately after with get payload v2. These tests are failing on upstream Reth as well because Reth deletes the payload, like it only returns payload which is currently in the process of being built. So there's some ambiguity regarding the language of the spec. I'll send an GitHub issue which kind of discusses this on why Reth is unwilling to fix this. The other kind of issue that I faced was regarding a contract code not getting deployed. So I'm not sure what exactly this issue is, but I'm looking into it.
All right. Anything else for Fusaka, like the DevNet or something?
Oh yeah. So Reth will merge Fusaka changes. Oh, sorry. I thought you were asking on the context of Reth.
Yeah, but that's
But-
also good.
Yeah, it will merge. Upstream will merge Fusaka changes this week, so you'll have it by next week.
All right, thank you. And then for Fusaka, like the DevNet and everything else, I guess the last time we still only had, what was it? Geth, Nanomind, and Aragon, but none of them kind of agree. You were going to look into whether
Yes.
one of them agreed.
Yeah, we still haven't solved the problem of agreeing between them. They are still facing the same issue, but the three hatches, the three state routes for Geth, Aragon, and Nethermind are different. And I'm currently looking with Anders in order to check out all of the possible difference between the Shen spec and the Genesis that could be causing something like this. But I guess that in the case of Geth, maybe it's related to the issues that Guillaume was trying to solve. So for now, I will not take us fully through the problem with Geth until he released the new version, and I will try to focus on solve the problem between Aragon and Nethermind, that they should be working together. But well, so far we haven't fixed the problem.
Sorry, when it comes to Geth, none of the issues that I'm aware of are related to the state route. So if it's different, then it's a problem. Yes.
All right. So well,
Let's
we'll
okay.
keep looking
Yeah.
with others.
No, but I think you're right. Let's do the latest release just in case, and then we can investigate.
All right. Anything else? All right. Well, then, thanks for joining, and see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
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 Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks.